Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Novel Class Probability Feature for Optimization Network Attack Detection with the Machine Learning Algorithm. In our project abstract is based on the control area networking. This is a CAN protocol. So the CAN protocol is the intrusion detection is the IDS is the detector or non-detected we are the find out. So that based on the attack and non-attack we are the find out. So first we have collecting the IDS dataset. Okay, the intrusion detection dataset. First we have taken after the data pre-processing, so step by step processing. So first we have the collecting the data, after the data pre-processing, third is the feature extraction, fourth based on the multi-class identification for the attention network model based on the CNN model. So in this paper using that already for the RNN algorithm, that is based on the recurrent neural network algorithm. So using the LSTM model, first we can propose to model for that CNN algorithm, convolution neural network algorithm. So this is a self-attention mechanism algorithm. So this is the proposed we have calculating for your accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, everything. So different type of attacks we have to find out, and then intrusion message will be identified for the particular attackers. So that is the overall process. Our project flowchart explanation. First we are collecting the dataset, that is the IDS dataset. After the data pre-processing based on the three steps. One is the missing values, another is the label encoding, third is the unnecessary row and column will be removed. So after that the data splitting process, 80% of training and 20% of testing. After the classification using, so CNN is a proposed one, LSTM is the internal comparison one. Finally we have predictors, the attack and the non-attack based on the IP wise. Performance analysis we are calculating accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, and then accuracy curve, and then loss curve. After that the prediction model. So this is the overall performance analysis on this process. Yeah, first open your Anaconda Spider tool. So first you will run the code. First we have import the dataset in vehicle intrusion detection dataset. So this is based on, first we have import totally 25,192 rows and 42 columns. So first we have the print the dataset. After if have any missing values we are checking, there is no missing values. After the label encoding, string to integer conversion, how many attacks and the non-attack we have find out. Data splitting process, 80% of training and 20% of testing, and then proposed using the CNN model. So CNN model we get the 96% of accuracy. After the LSTM model we have trained that network. So this is the losses and then accuracy curve. So it's training for the LSTM algorithm. So it's a validation of accuracy and then accuracy model. CNN wise we get that 96.69, so totally is the 97% of accuracy. So it is based on that 96.31%, the efficient of convolution neural network we have compared it. So this is the accuracy, losses, and then prediction based on if we enter that any number, so this anomaly is detected.